Curing cycle initiated.
Spar 3. Alignment certified.
Full tension, ready.
Confirmed clear path to the jig. Proceed.
Torque nominal. Move to next station.
Alignment locked. Tolerance green.
Slowly, slowly. Hold.
Sealant prep complete, section 4.
Torque set to specification. Move to section D.
Set zero tolerance.
Surface zero tolerance.
Check for pinholes. Like,
Torque check 3-2 nominal.
H-stab, clear for transport.
Bundle 6 alpha confirmed length. Checking routing diagram.
Pull, easy now, secure at rib 17.
There.
Internal clearance nominal, section A4.
All clear. Tension check complete.
Coating thickness check, section Bravo. Torque check nominal.
Move to center line.
Clear left. We are passing station 4. Continue movement.
Center line verified. Ready for frame installation.
Five centimeters to go.
Easy on the aft right.
Center pin aligned. Lower 2 centimeters.
Confirmed alignment is green. Maintain current speed. Copy that. Speed holding steady.
5 millimeters to go, hold. Perfect. Pin secured. Drop the alignment pins.
Actuator 2 secured. Checking sensor feedback on channel 4.
Hydraulic line clear to connect. Pin set. Torque verified. Frame set to 0 tolerance.
Latch integrity clear. Module ready for hoist.
Yes. Data port connection complete. Testing intercom line.
Row 15 clear.
Okay.
Move to the ceiling.
Center line verified. Lock in at rib 30.
Bus A check.
Pin integrity confirmed. Pin locked. Check plumbing access points.
Routing check, D4. Tubing secured.
Roller track alignment clear. Section 2 locked.
Rack security check. Vertical alignment clear. Duct seal integrity check. Flow rate target confirmed.
Rail 4 complete. Torque check verified.
Sealant clearance check.
Connect. Connection made.
Torque set, flight deck side.
Pressure stabilized at Delta 1.0. Holding.
Port 7 sealed. Final pressure lock check.
Docking alignment achieved. 0 tolerance confirmed.
Panel Bravo 1, position verified. 0 step.
Bolt 14 seated. Start manual torque.
Flap movement nominal, 0 deviation.
System green, line 4 clear. Double check tag.
Door cycle test complete. 0 binding.
Pylon target clear, 5 centimeters to go.
Interface is clear. Ready for strut delivery.
Main bus online. Online.
Torque verified. Pylon set.
Green line pressure check.
Green line perted. Safety pin set.
Left forward, slow lift. Steady, steady.
Main gear downlock confirmed. Cycle complete.
Nose gear downlock pin verified.
Hydraulic lines ready.
Module 4C seated. Starting power test.
Rudder travel check, clear.
Display 2 set.
Bottle secured. Line pressure check initiated.
Throttle range clear.
Final mounting secured.
Clearance is good on the left side. Bring it in slowly.
System blue pump secure.
Checking line seal integrity.
3 feet to docking point. Steady ascent.
Harness check complete. Load rated for lift.
Cowling secured. Seam tolerance checked.
Mounting point 3 clear. Start torque sequence.
Harness check complete. Thrust command circuit online.
Inlet alignment check. Sealant strip next.
Row 15 complete. Final bolt check.
RAT hydraulic lines green. Release mechanism nominal.
Radar feed secured. Checking azimuth alignment.
Aisle alignment, 0 deviation. Carpet line set.
Galley locked. Power main check.
Pivot probe secure. Applied. Safety cover applied.
Lighting sequence test. All colors nominal.
GPU connected. Power on.
Bus 1, check. Hide P3, check.
Idle parameters confirmed. Temperature is nominal.
Yeah.
Ignition sequence armed. Clear to spool.
Roll common nominal. Control law integrity check complete.
Window line 3.5. 0 tolerance on the edge.
Jig clear.
Chocks in place.
Stencil set. 0 bubbles on the edge.
Roger, confirmed clear right. Rolling on Charlie. Tug, you are clear of the hangar on the left.
Tow bar secure. Bypass pin engaged.
Flight controls checked. Hydraulics set.
Gear bay clear. No fluid leaks reported.
Clipper 49er taxi via Alpha, hold short of runway 27 right. Traffic on final approach.